Izakaya is a type of popular Japanese bar restaurant that serves liquor and food. It offers a wider variety of dishes, and food is more substantial than bars or pubs.
Izakaya! Fantastic!
いらっしゃいお一人様一人
Yeah, yeah.
こちらどうぞはいおしぼり
すいません。
おしぼりごゆっくりどうぞ
おしぼり。
少々お待ちをお客さん飲み物どうします？オーダーどうします？
Order. Order, yes, yes. Let's see.
とりあえず生にしときます？とりあえず生。
とりあえず生で。
とりあえず生で。
What is it?
とりあえず生。
Toriaizu nama is a stock phrase to order your first drink. Since beer can be served relatively quickly, it became commonplace. On a side note, Japanese beer is considered best served icy cold.
とりあえず生。
えよおしんき生乾杯
乾杯。
はいお通し
Ooh. Beer, I ordered beer.
はい生餅
Beer. So foamy. It's true, very smooth. It tastes interesting and good. Hey, wanna make an order here? Hello, hello.
はいお待たせしましたウーロンハイ2つでハイボール2つ
すいません。
すいませんはい少々お待ちください
What is it? What is it?
When you need to get a server's attention to make an order or pay the bill, call out "sumimasen" loudly. This is never considered to be rude. Raising your hand is even better, for it makes it easier for servers to spot you. Asking "osusume wa" when placing an order is a neat trick to enjoy a delicious meal.
Sumimasen!
はいよ
Yeah. This one
お刺身盛り合わせ
and this one.
天ぷら盛り合わせ
And, osusume wa?
ないよ
What?
ナッシングジョークジョークジョークジョークイエーイ鶏の唐揚げ鶏の唐揚げ
Okay, yeah, yeah. I'll have that then.
注文いただきました天ぷらの盛り合わせお刺身の盛り合わせ
Japanese people eat a proper meal while drinking beer. I see.
はいお餅刺身盛り合わせはい天ぷらはい唐揚げになりますごゆっくりどうぞ
2杯目何飲みます？
俺2杯目はハイボールって決めてるんだよね。
俺もハイボール飲みます。すいません、ハイボール2つお願いします。
すいません、ハイボール1つ。
Highball?
ハイボール2つください。
What is it?
The highball is the most popular long cocktail in Japan. It is a simple drink made with whiskey and chilled soda. No additives, no artificial sweetness, just pure refreshment. The highball not only brings out the inherent flavor of the whiskey, but also pairs well with all sorts of Japanese foods.
Sumimasen! Highball!
はいよはいおいしい
Highball goes well with any dish. I love it.
Please enjoy the highest quality and the craftsmanship of beer and highball at Izakaya. Presented by Suntory.